Hello, welcome back. I have just LG K4 on my desk for a repair. Customer brought it. I told him, although it's not worth to fix it, but I think he has some important stuff inside. So let's change the screen and remembers those old days. So just open from the back. You'll see how pretty much damaged back and it's in rough condition. But yeah, just remove it, and this is the whole one piece. I think the plastic, I just removed all screws from the back, and this is one piece plastic. I think, yes, it's a one piece plastic. So just take those up. You'll find the power button on the back side on those old LGs. So let's disconnect the battery, try to pull up the battery. Let's put this plat tool there and lift it, and you'll easily remove it. Here we go. So disconnect the bottom connector, which is the display connector, and you need to lift from anything. This is the one piece motherboard. If you remember, most of the old phone has those kind of. Here we go. So this is the one piece which contains the charging port, camera, and everything in the one piece. Only the vibrator or you can say the taptic engine or a couple of a small component left on the screen. So this is a taptic engine, earpiece, and you'll find this is a headphone jack. This is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. So I ordered this LCD from my vendor, so I'm able to get those. So let's remove this audio jack from there. Here we go, and put it there. So after this, let's put those kind of this is headphone jack. I installed the taptic engine. Let's put the motherboard back and connect the screen connector. So that actually was easy repair on those time also, but now it's kind of super easy. So just connect the battery and put this, make sure the battery on the right place. Yes, it is. So let's disconnect it. Let's put the back, because you can turn on after putting the back. Here we go. Let's push the back button. It's turning on, which means it has some juice in the battery. So while it's turning on, put the screen. Here we go. The touch is properly working. The phone is fixed, which is, I'm glad. Such customer will be very happy. Let's put this metal piece back. This is a metal back. If you like that video, thumbs up, and if you want me to fix any kind of phone, let me know in the comments. Thank you.